Oh, dude. Oh.
I pull up, creeping around the corner, bitch, bundle up. They think I'm too cold, I told that bitch I wanna snuggle up. All you rappers goofy, bitch, don't ask me if we can partner up. I don't give no fuck about none of you niggas, and it's still stuck. Catch me shooting dark, winged duck, with my Uncle Chuck. You ain't got no aim, lame nigga, bitch, better luck. Catch me shooting dark, winged duck, with my Uncle Chuck. You ain't got no aim, lame nigga, bitch, better luck. I put on the plain Jane for the plane ride out to Spain. They think I'm Jody High Roller, I don't gamble with no lane. Twinkle, twinkle goes every single diamond in my chain. Dragon Fang gang, ice glisten in the night rain. I think I'm John Wayne, Smith and Wessie, point blank range. 50,000 on the dinner, tell that bitch to keep the change. I'm the same nigga from the wind, bitch ain't shit changed. I'm off Riverdale and Shelby Drive, jumping through lanes. I pull up, creeping around the corner, bitch, bundle up. They think I'm too cold, I told that bitch I wanna snuggle up. All you rappers goofy, bitch, don't ask me if we can partner up. I don't give no fuck about none of you niggas, and it's still stuck. Catch me shooting dark, winged duck, with my Uncle Chuck. You ain't got no aim, lame nigga, bitch, better luck. Catch me shooting dark, winged duck, with my Uncle Chuck. You ain't got no aim, lame nigga, bitch, better luck.
He's honestly going crazy with it. There's no way it looks good. Like, bro, for real?
She makes my heart beat
Dude, there's a million people.
This is insane.
Yeah, actually though. Like, over your head? I mean, best of luck.
You did good, son.
Yeah, player, on my team, go, damn player, I still can't see the muscle. Yeah, player, on my team, go, damn player, I still can't see the muscle. Yeah, player, on my team, go, damn player, I still can't see the muscle. Yeah, player, on my team, go, damn player.
Lately I've been feeling like I don't know who the fuck I am. Trying to figure out where the stage is and I began to the bitter end. I proceed with a hollow heart, cut my wounds and call it off. Watch me as I come apart. Pull up, and they wondering which more they play. I say, but I'm only what you can afford to say. Unless I'm Molly Gray, but just like I say, I made the game and I made the way and I made the way and this shit stay. Yeah, faking the smile, I'm flexing. I'm going up on my antidepressant. My girl is a brilliant bitch and the stressing about how I'm here, but I'm lacking in presence. I tell her I love you, but it's lacking essence. And now I remember just who I am. So give me a pill, listen for the way, and I'm going again. My type of vacation is isolation. I wanna be left alone, gonna see how long I love until I get the fucking occupation. Self-annihilation, rolling myself out just by all of this emotion. I can fucking stop it now, it's all coming out. They gave all kind of vomit, I wish I could get it out. Take away my stomach, fucking rip it all apart. The holocaust got me up there, you still on my own. I'm meant to be alone. I'm supposed to you feel it in my bones and in my soul.
Make sure them seats first class.
Taking pictures overseas, money hitting my account. Old school's tucked away, might be time to bring them out. Been taking in the cut with the touchscreen, ooh, I might take a drive to Monterey to go and cool out. I got old money for real, and some new guap. I had to separate from a few, they moving too hot. So much money on my schedule, I ain't got time. Out in Detroit, eating fruit with a top model. Coupe, no rims, we some gentlemen. We got many M's, don't belittle him. Hit the steam room and then I talk percentages. Orange juice in the bagel, I got different businesses. I did it all, no assist. Who went hard like this? I went to Rory, drop 6, nigga. I paid cash for the, got the D for the. You just thought I had, come on. You know I'm smarter than that. I hit the booth and then I slaughter the track. You niggas gotta relax. Look, I do this shit in my sleep. It's just normal, you can keep the receipts, my nigga. Hey. Living, working, trying for a better day. You should roll with me. You can be my better. Pull up in that thing like skirt. Don't worry about me, I make it work. You can see it in my eyes, how they come to play. Yeah.
Woke up in the morning, I was joining, caught a bottlenecking. With a record, hopped up in the shower, thank the life.
Unbelievable. Bro, that woman stopped 3 feet in front of us.
Right, I still have my toes. I can feel my fingers. We're here. We're still here.
I was white knuckling all the way, dude.
Oh my gosh.
3, my nigga with mops, clean up your block like Spectacular D.